Number 7 then. Now we're going to look at some bar charts. See if I can get the whole thing on here at one time. Double bar charts, in fact. Burns Corporation has 4 departments. The double bar graph below shows how many male and female employees are in each department. Use this graph to answer the questions. So the males are the solid ones in blue in this case. The females have the stripes through them since yours isn't in color like mine is. And we're just going to use the graph to answer the question. Estimate the number of males in production. Over here's production. It's slightly higher than 200, right? So we're just going to get somewhere close. What do you think that looks like? 210, okay? If you put 205 or 208, it's going to still count it right as long as you're close. You're estimating. Which department have more females than males? Check all that apply. Which one has more females? There's only one. Accounting in this case. Accounting. Again, we're estimating. Estimate the total number of employees in marketing. So I'm going to do both of those together. I would have about 205. Again, since it's an estimating one, as long as you're close, they're going to count it correct. iBite Entertainment sells 4 types of products: radios, DVDs, video games, and CDs. The numbers sold for and are shown in the double bar graph below. Use this graph to answer the question. So we have our years in 2015 and in 2016. Which product sold more in 2016 than in 2015? We got a few of them. Multiple answers here. Which ones have more in 2016? Radios, the video games, and the CDs all have more in 2016, right? My bars are higher. Which products have fewer than 800 sold in 2016? So just looking at the 2016, which ones are fewer than 800? Radios, video games, and the CDs. All of those are less than 800. The only one higher than 800 would be your DVDs. Now we're back to some estimating. Estimate the total number of CDs sold in the 2 years. Oh, are we doing all of the 2 years? Oh, CDs. Total number of CDs. There we go. Estimate the total number of CDs. What does it look like we've got? How much? 500 and... It's probably a little higher than 50, right? 50 would be halfway up. What did I put? I put 580 when I answered it. Not how far, but where were we at? Over here? It's almost up to the top, right? It's not too far from the 400. 300 would be halfway between, and I look like I'm at least another halfway between that. So, somewhere in there, 375, 360, 380, it's probably going to take any of those, as long as you're somewhere close. Let me slide that a little bit more. Whoops, we almost got it. Small computer company runs 4 manufacturing plants, each of which produces 2 models of computer laser printers, Model A and Model B. The double bar graph shows the number of printers of each model produced during the last year. Use the graph to answer the questions. So A is the dark one again, B is the striped one. Estimate the number of Model B printers produced at the Riverton plant. So Model B looks like about 210. Sounds good. Which plants produce more Model B printers than Model A printers? So which ones have more Model Bs? Just the beach is the only one that has more Model B, right? And which plant produced the fewest printers total? The west side looks like it has the fewest total, exactly. All right, so just reading the graph, nothing too terribly bad there, hopefully.